About our next step, how do we install the Docker? So what I'll do, this virtual machine where I have logged in, so we have created this server, CentOS server. This is just running CentOS right now. I want to install Docker in it, so I'll go to my vagrant folder. There are scripts in that, and there I have created a script which installs Docker. So I can simply say sh install-docker.sh, and let's go ahead and run this script. This script is going to install the Docker software that is required. So if I go and open that, if I go here, scripts, you see install Docker is doing nothing but it is running a set of commands which you can find on Docker website. How do you install Docker on any machine? So these are just yum install commands that are running for the CentOS. So once these commands are done, it would have installed Docker and it would have started the Docker as a daemon, as a service. So we'll wait for all these commands to complete. So right now, if you see, this is going and running the Docker CE installation. And once that completes, it will go and enable the service and it will start the service. So that is what it is going to do. So now we are done. So if I say Docker version, it will tell me that, oh, I think we'll have to run sudo Docker version. Let me see. Yeah, so it is telling that Docker installed a client and Docker also installed a server. Yeah, we can also see Docker info. If I say Docker info, it gives much detailed things. Again, I'll have to run it as sudo. So let me do sudo su Docker info. So if you see here, it is printing some detail about Docker. So if we start, it is talking about how many containers we have, how many are running, how many are paused, how many are stopped. So we don't have any right now. How many images are there? That information is also 0 right now because we have not created any images, neither we are running any containers. Then it's talking about server version, what storage driver we are using, what is logging driver, what C group driver we are using. There are some plugins, Swarm, runtimes. So it is giving a lot of detail about our host. So this command is sudo docker info. So if these two commands are running successfully fine, then you can assume that your Docker installation has succeeded. So that is where we have reached so far.